Hey there, it's David Chinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is for those people that, maybe they're just bored of their homes and they either want to move or you're bored of seeing the same thing over and over again. One of the easiest fixes you should do is paint your home. Yeah, if you don't like the way it looks, maybe brighten it up. I don't know, add some color or do the opposite, remove the color. If you're like my wife, she loves everything white, stark white. So paint everything white and it just kind of gives a whole different feel and the vibe to the home. So before you go and put your home on sale in the market because you think you're bored of the home, which obviously as a realtor I love, but let's be honest, if you could kind of like the space, you're just kind of bored with it, it's a quick fix, guys. Maybe try painting, maybe freshen it up a little bit and see how you feel after that. If you are looking to sell the home and want to freshen up, it's always a good idea to call your realtor and have them walk through. Maybe you want to talk to a stager and see what colors they recommend. That's always a good idea as well. But again, if you're just kind of bored with the space, don't go and spend a crazy amount of money. Maybe just liven up a space or two with some fresh paint. Bye for now.